Hello, we will see in today's video how to add custom menu in WordPress. In the previous video, I show you how to add a pages as a WordPress menu. First, log in your dashboard. After login, go to Appearance and Menus section. And left side, here more option: pages, posts, custom links, categories and formats. Click the custom link and here two option URL and link text. First we write a text as a home and this one the home link. Copy and paste here and add to menu. Menu is add here and right hand side one text custom link and second one link is blog and here my one website is present. Copy this link and paste here, add to menu. And second one archive and okay, no archive is present now. And copy this link and paste here and add to menu. Home, blog and archive and save menu. And refresh the page. Okay. Primary menu, select display location primary menu and uncheck auto add pages and save menu and refresh once again. Now home, blog and archive is add. First click the blog and my blog website is open. Back and archive the open. The only advantage you will get from using a custom menu is that you can set the URL as you like. Okay, thank you.